are multiple of 3 here. Now this is in AP. Why? Because common difference is 3 here. What is A value? 12. What is D value? 3. The last term consider it as AN here. I think these are all the data. The next step is write again AN formula, substitute these values here, simplify, finally we are getting n is equal to 30. What is the meaning here? So, there are 30 2-digit numbers which are multiple of 3. Therefore, number of 2 digits which are multiple of 3 are 30 here. The next one, sum of first n term related concept. The next concept is sum of first n terms. For this, let us take one example here. During the lockdown period, Siri started reading a novel. She completed 5 pages on first day, 8 pages on second day. In this way, she will read 3 pages more than the previous day. She has completed reading the novel in 5 days. Find the number of pages in novel. This is a simple one. So, I am going to find how many pages are there. For this, let us observe this table. Day 1, that is day 1. How many pages Siri is reading? 5. Second day 5 plus 3 because 3 pages more than previous day 8. Third day 8 plus 3. Fourth day, fifth day, like this I am getting the number of pages read by Siri on these days. So, if you want to find total number of pages in novel, add these number, that is 5 plus 8 plus 11, finally we are getting what? 55. So, here see only 5 days she is reading, hence by taking the number of pages read by each day, finally if you add we are getting. Suppose if number of pages are more, she is taking, let us take 100 days to complete the novel, means we are getting 100 this kind of numbers. If you add means we are getting huge number, writing number and adding process takes more time. So, in such cases if you want to solve this kind of problem easily means we can find the formula for sum of first n terms. So, what is that formula? Let us take formula to find sum of first n terms of AP, that is very simple, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or one more is there, Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l. See the difference between these two. Instead of 2a I am writing this as a plus n minus 1 into d, 1a as it is, a plus n minus 1 into d, replace that as l. So, here we know what is a, what is d, what is n, Sn and also l. So, a is first term, d is common difference, n stands for number of terms, Sn stands for sum of first n terms, l is a last term, an again it is a different, that is nth term. The next one is, let us take one problem based on Sn formula. Find the sum of first 15 terms of this AP means. So, given AP I have written here, let us take a list, what is a value, d value, n value, Sn, write the formula, substitute a value as 1 here, n value as 15 here, d as 2, simplify properly, the 15 term sum becomes 225. Let us take the second problem. Find the sum of 1, 3, 7, 9, dot 29. See, observe here, AP is given, 29th is the last term, here I am taking L as 29, A as 1, D as 2, we have to find Sn. Can you find Sn directly? No, because to find Sn, n is required. For that purpose, first find the value of n by using this formula, that is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value, finally we are getting n is equal to 15. Then take this formula, that is Sn equals n by 2 into a plus n. So, in previous sum we have used Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are using a plus l because the last term is given. Substitute n as 15, we have calculated, L as 29 and a as 1 here, finally 225, or else we can use this formula also, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because we know n value, a and n as well as d also. So, either we can use this formula or this formula. So, for both cases the sum of these numbers becomes 225 only. Let us take one more here, that is another problem. The sum of first 6 term of AP is 345 and the difference between last and first term is 55. Find the terms of AP. I think directly I am taking, because AP is given. Sum of 6 term means S6 is 345. Difference between last, that is AN minus first term, A is 55. So, using S6, that is 345 value, see Sn formula, n value as 6 and S6 as 345, simplify, we got the first equation as 2a plus 5d is equal to 115. Second condition is an minus a is equal to 55. Let us take an minus a is equal to 55. The formula for an is a plus n minus 1 into d minus a, write as it is. Simplify this, this plus a minus a get cancelled, n value as 6 here, because last term there are 6 term here, hence n is 6 here, therefore the value of d becomes 11. So, after getting d, substitute the value of d as 11 here, what we are getting, the value of a, and after getting a, we can write the terms of AP by using a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d formula here. So, the value of a is 30 here, therefore first term is 30, 30 plus 11 is 41, 41 plus 11 if you add means we are getting its next term. Let us take one more different kind of problem. 3 numbers are in AP whose sum is 21 and their product is 231, find term. Here sum is given, but while solving this problem we are not using Sn formula because only 3 terms are given. While solving this kind of problem, what we are doing, we are just recalling the general form of AP, that is a plus d, a plus 2d, 3 term means